Hi, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today we're going to take a look on a new update in Microsoft Power Apps Canvas, and that is about the text input component, which now allows us to use the trigger about what happens, or to decide what happens when after we have entered some data in that text input component. So it either should happen immediately, or after we finish writing, or based on another logic. And that's something that we're going to see today. So if you like the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss more videos like this. Have fun. Okay, so we are here in our Power Apps editor, and the first thing that we need to do is to go to the settings, and in the update sections you need to activate the modern controls and themes if that has not already been done from you. So here's where you can find it. Turn that button on and then you will have the modern controls, because the update is around the modern control. So if you grab here our text input component, which is a modern control in preview, we will see that on the right hand side we have in the behavior section. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit here so that you can see these settings a little bit better. We have here the behavior section, the trigger outputs, and we have here three options: the delayed one, the focus out, and the key press. So let's see how this will work. To do that a bit easier is if we grab here a label. Now let's grab here like a label component, and let's say that the text of this label is going to be our text input canvas2 component dot value. So now let's make this a little bit bigger and place it below. So if I go into play mode, I hope you can see everything perfectly. Let's clarify that we are here in the focus out option. So what should happen is that after I write here, my name is Enea, nothing yet is being shown in the label below. But when I focus out, which means when I click away, the value is being passed then out of this component. And that's when I see it here, and that's when I can use it also further in the logic in my application. So what happens when we move the trigger outputs from focused out to delayed? This here is going to behave differently. And if I start writing, this should now wait a couple of seconds until it passes the data through. So if I say here dot, I am 33 years. And you see, it waits a couple of seconds and then it writes or it passes the data through. And I say Alt 1, 2, or 1 second and a half, and then it will pass that to the next part of the data through. So this is a delayed one. And this is useful if you are searching, for example, but you can also use the other one or any of them. So if you use the text input for search options, you might need to consider one of these here, trigger inputs, outputs, sorry. Okay, then last but not least, on key press is the instant one. I live in Germany. So as you can see, this is on key press. So immediately after we start typing and we type something, and then immediately data is being passed through. So I think this is a pretty helpful feature that Microsoft updated. And yeah, I hope you liked it as well. And if you have any ideas on where to use it or how to use it, let me know in the comments, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments as well. And yeah, that's it for this short video around this update. I hope you liked it. If you did so, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any updates in the future. Thanks for watching. Have fun. Bye.